Today's Saturday, November 28th. This is the 1978 Cadillac antenna for my friend George Salkowitz in Lawrenceville. This unit wasn't working and was sent to me for repair, and I've done a complete restoration where the unit has been completely disassembled, fully serviced, and now I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. So I'll go ahead and connect the unit to power, and we'll apply power. And there the unit rises to its maximum extent and self-parks, which is consistent with the design intent for 1978. Now we'll do a full retraction. And the unit fully retracts and self-parks. One more time, full actuation rise. And self-parking. And full retraction. And the unit self-parks. So today is November 28th, Saturday. This is for my friend George Salkowitz. I'll be shipping this out to him as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, power antennas, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source components. Today is Saturday, November 28th. Thank you very kindly.